I wonder what's on my TV.
Are you hungry for a delicious cereal for breakfast? Then try the Emoji Yes cereal. It's your opinion for breakfast.
Wow, that's a cereal commercial. That's
There
cool.
are 4 different flavors. Chocolate flavor, fruit flavor, 5-color flavor, and strawberry flavor. You can buy in Walmart or Costco. Or you can buy at emojis.com/cereals. It costs $13 on each.
Why not Emoji Yes? There's Emoji Yes cereal on Walmart. I'm going to buy it now. "18 minutes later." Got the cereal?